you're looking at a mistake. A glorious, rotary-shaped mistake.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the next episode of The Shop. Today we've got a new project, and it's a big one. Meet our 2007 Mazda RX-8 barn find. I know, a rotary engine. But this one is special. It's automatic, it's covered in years of dust, and the previous owner, well, they left it here to rot.
Let's be real about the condition. The interior is rough. It's got that classic barn find aroma.
The body itself is solid, no rust, which is a miracle for a car of this age. The good news, no blown apex seals. The bad news, a cavern, a gaping hole where the high-revving 13B Renesis once lived. We have two main goals with this project. The first is the engine. We've already sourced a low-mileage JDM 13B Renesis. It's tested and we trust that it's in good condition. We are going to prioritize getting this car back on the road and not do a full overhaul on the engine, but rather set it straight into this RX-8. The second goal that we have is the transmission. Now, originally this RX-8 was automatic. We've gone ahead and bought all the parts that we need to convert it to a manual. The clutch pedal, the master cylinder, and the transmission. We want to make this a really good running manual RX-8. Some people call the RX-8 a glorified commuter car. I call it an underdog. It has nearly perfect 50-50 weight distribution and these iconic freestyle doors. This must be one of the best chassis that Mazda has ever made. It's a track weapon disguised as a family coupe. We're not doing a massive power build here. We're focusing on precision and driving purity, getting that manual swap right and giving this Mazda the rotary heart it deserves. Our first step is a surgical strike on the engine itself. Even though it's a good runner, we're going to get it prepped for its new life in the RX-8 chassis. This means removing the air pump, installing a Sohn adapter to keep those rotors lubricated, and making a few other updates. Once the engine is ready, we'll pull the RX-8 into the shop and we'll start going through the rest of the car. We need to install the manual pedal box, the clutch, master cylinder, and a few other bits and pieces. We've got a lot of wrenching ahead of us, and we're going to be documenting every step of our journey.
You ever have a free double or simulation and a free of a problem? That you have the worst 75.
Being on Marketplace late at night just results in bad decisions. Introducing our next RX-8. This one's been sitting in a farmer's field for a few years. It has low compression but still runs and drives. We had it on a trailer and back in our shop the very next day. We have decided that the very best thing to do is to throw our JDM engine into the yellow RX-8 and get it on the road as quickly as possible.
And so the question is, what are we going to do with this RX-8? And we've decided we're going to take it to the races. We're going to stick to the original plan of manual swapping this. We're going to keep the rotary engine for now. We might do a couple of upgrades to it, but don't tell anybody. Install a roll cage, seats, and a couple of other things that we need to do to get this car race ready. This is going to be the biggest, loudest, and possibly most complex project we've ever taken on. Will the rotary fire up? Will the manual conversion work? Are we going to go broke in the process? All valid questions. If you want to see an abandoned, engineless, automatic RX-8 transform into a proper rotary beast, you need to stick around.